it is that time of the week again. I need to clean my nail studio. It is quite the disaster, as you can see. I've actually gotten a lot of products in recently in the mail, and I just have everything all over my desk. Everything is just everywhere, and I need to unpack it all, get it organized, put away products that I've been using, and I need to figure out how to fit some of these products in my drawers. So we are gonna tackle that today. So first, in order to successfully do any sort of cleaning, we need to put the hair up and we need to turn on some music. So getting out my Spotify playlist, and I was feeling a little bit like maybe some 90s, or also I have a workout playlist that I really like, even though, I think this could be considered kind of a workout, but it's really good, upbeat, makes you want to move type of music. So I thought it'd be perfect for getting the studio cleaned. Also, I'm gonna do a little giveaway in this video, so make sure to watch the whole thing. I'm totally in the comfy clothes. We are in comfy, cozy mode. It is winter and it's all I want to live in, basically. So first, I'm just cleaning up my desk, and we've got all these products out that I just got in recently. Some of it was sent to me, but a lot of it I also purchased myself to try out. This was from like my Black Friday haul. If you didn't check out my last vlog and you want to see more about what I got, check that out. I need to organize everything so that I can easily see it, and if I want to try any of these new products, it's easily accessible and I don't just put it in a drawer and then forget it ever existed, which is super easy to do. So I want to have it out, easily accessible, and for me to remember that it's there so that I can try it. These Nail Thoughts polishes in the main drawer that is sitting to the right of me, I think I might move them into this Nail Thoughts drawer because it's empty, and then it would clear up some space in there as well. So I may be moving those in the future. So I recently got a couple packages from V Beauty, some chromes, flakes, dual forms, and I got a lot of these builder gels. But what I realized is they actually had sent me some duplicates. So instead of me just keeping duplicates, I'd rather pass them along to one of you guys. So I'm gonna do a little giveaway. If you want a chance to win some of these V Beauty builder gels, you must live in the US. Make sure you are subscribed, give this video a like, and leave a comment down below telling me what you have on your nails right now. If you have an Instagram, add your Instagram handle as well, and I'll send you a DM if you're the winner. Okay, now I have all of these V Beauty gel polishes that I need to somehow fit into my drawer. And there's over 100. I have absolutely no idea how I'm gonna get this to fit. I have my Luxio gel polishes in here, my Korean gel polishes. I already tried to put some of the V Beauty gel polishes in there, and it just was like, obviously it's pretty much full. So I think first I'm gonna have to take out these organizers so that there is more room in the drawer to begin with. And I'm gonna move all of my Luxio gel polishes over, and you can see that gave us like quite a bit more room. Then we're just gonna start filling in with the V Beauty and just see how far we can get. So we got super close, but there's still about 10 to 20 colors left. So I gotta do some more rearranging. I'm gonna move my Fiote gel polishes up one drawer because there's a little bit of room in there, and then we can hopefully fit the rest of the V Beauty gel polishes in here. Okay, I was absolutely shocked that this fit in here, like down to the last polish. And look how gorgeous it looks. The colors look stunning. So I don't know how I fit them all in there, but I did. I just took out all the dividers and it just ended up with a lot more room. I now have no extra room in my drawers. I did have some practice tips on my desk that I used to create some nail designs, and they were just laying on my desk just free. So I wanted to make sure and get those organized and stuck to these little displays so that they didn't get lost, so that I could store them easier as well. And they just look really pretty on here. Now it's time to clean up my other desk. This is kind of like my office desk for miscellaneous things. And I am just setting out all of the new products that I got, kind of categorizing them by brand. And then I can easily grab things to try them as I am working. And again, if I put it away, I know I'm gonna forget about it. So it just makes it easier for me to remember that it's there so that I can try it. Then of course, we gotta do our sweeping, our mopping. I got to wipe down the table, kind of dust everything, just do a general clean and scrub down. Also, I know I'm gonna get asked this because I get asked all of the time about the desktop that I have. I bought this back in 2018 and the company is no longer in business, so I don't have a link, unfortunately, for it. Okay, we are looking so much better than it was. My desk is cleaned off. I feel like I can actually work now and do things. So over here, we do have a pile of recycling that needs to go out. As far as all of my new nail tips go, I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with that. I'll show you the current nail tip drawer. So this is what it currently looks like. Some of these I for sure won't be using for press-ons, like the Magpie ones you can't use for press-ons. The Cocoist ones, I don't know if you can use them for press-ons or not, but I won't be using those ones. And I do actually have 3 Après tips that are, come here, we hear you. Did you want to check it out too? Yes, you did. Okay. 3 Après, oh my gosh, it's just like the tippy tapping on the floor. 3 Après boxes that are before they had the extra sizes. So basically, like, these are I think 400 or 450 tips, and then they have the larger, the new style boxes with the half sizes, that's 600 tips. If those tips match up with the same sizes as these ones, then I'll probably just move them over and combine it all, because I did order these 3. I ordered the 600 piece boxes because I want the half sizes. If I'm going to do press-ons, like, I want to have as many options and as many sizes so I can get the correct sizes. Back here is just more like random tips from Amazon. So this, I will figure this out, because obviously now we have quite a bit more to fit somewhere, and I also need to label the side so that I can see what to do with them. So we got this, we got these products that I just came in that either need to be swatched or just play around with them. This is from Zillabue. I ordered the Golden collection from Mayor because it looked so pretty. It's like a cat eye collection that's gold, and I haven't really seen too many gold cat eyes, so I thought that was really cool. Like, the magnetic particles are gold. The Haynel products that came in, Function of Vex, and we have the V Beauty products. At least I can see the new products that have come in, and I can have an idea of like, okay, I want to sit down and like play with something. It's all out and ready to go, and I can see what's new, what might need to be swatched. If I want to try something out, test something, it's on here. Obviously, I would love if this desk was just cleaned and there's nothing on it all the time, but it's okay. Over here is my like electronic stuff for filming, batteries, cameras, microphones, that kind of stuff. This is all just office stuff. It's looking a million times better. I did get this notebook to swatch chromes because I saw somebody on Instagram have like a chrome swatch book where they just painted like a little gel swatch and then chromed it and then labeled it, and I thought that was so much better than trying to swatch chromes on tips. I hate trying to swatch chromes. Like, chromes are like so annoying sometimes. This is white, but obviously when it goes on the nail, depending on if it's black or white, like it could look totally different. So that is on my to-do list, to do that book. I think I will move the Nail Thoughts bases in here since this is totally empty. There is some room in there, but that's pretty full. So that would kind of clear up some more space over here. And yeah, when I moved into this space, some people had given me suggestions. First of all, we're just renting, so one of the reasons why I have all of my polishes like this is because I don't want to put a ton of holes in the wall. So I do have my polish rack still from my studio. And whenever we move into a more permanent place, hopefully that will be soon, I will probably put the polishes back on the wall, or at least some of them back on the wall. I do like this, but I also just didn't want to put so many holes into the wall. So the only thing I really put into the wall is my neon light, and that's it. And then same with the bookcase. A lot of people suggested that I paint the bookcase like white so that it matches the rest of my furniture. Again, this bookcase was here when we moved in and it's not ours. So it is the owner of the house, their bookcase, so I can't paint it. I'm not gonna paint it. Even if it was mine, I'll be honest, I don't think I would paint it because that feels like a lot of work. I'd probably just sell it and then buy one that is white already. It still works though. I mean, is it like super aesthetic? No, but it works and it's fine for now. But at least now, like, I can actually work. It was getting a little crazy. I feel like I clean it and then literally like a week later it can turn into a total disaster because it's mostly just me in here. So I will make a mess and then I'll say, I'll take care of that later, and then I don't. Also, if you want to enter that giveaway, make sure you watch the whole video and you know what to do to enter the V Beauty giveaway. If you enjoyed this video, you love seeing nail content, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any future videos. Give this video a like so you can let me and YouTube know that you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a fabulous day.